In this evening's health report, Shamala Pullen tells us about congenital heart defects.
A congenital heart defect is a problem with the structure of the heart which is developed at birth. Consultant pediatric cardiologist Dr. Charmaine Scott says there are at least 400 new cases in Jamaica yearly.
The commonest one that most people would have heard of is a hole, which is really a gap in the wall that divides either the upper or the lower chambers. Other common problems could be obstruction to the blood flowing out of the heart because of narrowings. For example, in the valves, the heart valves may be narrow, or some of the tubes, they may be narrowing in the tubes. That would be another presentation. Or you may have abnormal connections of the vessels that come into and leave the heart, or a combination of any of those three.
It's caused mainly due to genetics, but certain environmental factors can increase the mother's chance of giving birth to a child with congenital heart defect.
And these would be, of course, smoking in pregnancy, alcohol, excessive alcohol intake in pregnancy, a mother who is diabetic, a mother who has been exposed to some viral illnesses, and what comes to mind would be rubella, which is one of the viral illnesses that we can prevent, by getting the rubella vaccine in teenage girls, starting with teenage girls. But there are other viral illnesses that can, predispose to a congenital heart defect.
The condition is usually identified during a baby's 6-week checkup, but it can be diagnosed earlier. The good news is, because of advancements in medical care and treatment, the defects can be corrected.
In most instances, we're able to offer some form of surgery that may patch holes or widen narrowings or reconnect vessels in the appropriate places. And more recently, we've been able to do that without surgery with some of these defects by passing tubes under X-ray guidance, catheterization, to the point that needs to be corrected and be able to plug holes or widen narrowings and so on. So there has been great improvement in how we deliver the care to children who are born with congenital heart defects.
But after treatment, these individuals will have to be monitored for life. With her health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.